First at 5 o'clock, after a lively weekend in Indy, healthcare workers are concerned about the long-term impact on the fight against COVID-19. Good evening to you. I'm Mark Mullins.
And I'm Amanda Starantino. With March being tournament time and spring break season, healthcare workers say the combination could lead to a spike in COVID-19 cases. WRTV's Alyssa Donovan explains the concern.
It's quiet here today, but gatherings like the one that happened here at the Bottle Works district over the weekend are concerning to local healthcare workers who are worried about another surge of COVID-19 in central Indiana.
It's scary because we want this to be over.
Claire Rumke with Franciscan Health says between tournament fans out and about and spring breakers, she's worried about a rise in cases of COVID-19.
There is a lot of concern about where we're going in the next 4 weeks or so. The public areas that are restaurants and the downtown streets have been very busy, and it's everybody in the same location.
Some who were downtown this weekend didn't feel like there were any issues.
No, I didn't think it was too crowded at all. No, I felt totally safe.
Never too many people.
An event at the Bottle Works district was put on the Marion County Health Department's radar on Saturday. Carrollton Avenue was shut down for the district's b-ball bash. Crowds of people gathered and watched the games between two big screens. A spokesperson from the health department released a statement to WRTV saying, in part, after being notified of a potential public health hazard, we dispatched inspectors to make sure critical safety measures are followed. When public health orders are violated, the health department can take escalating enforcement measures to include fines and other actions. Bottle Works district staff declined WRTV's request for comment today, but in an interview before the event, an organizer said they spaced out tables to help with social distancing.
We've got everything spaced out, as you can see. Obviously, we recognize that we are still in a situation where things need to be spaced out. That's kind of why we decided to do this event outside. We felt like that gave us the best path to safety.
Rumke wants to remind people that the pandemic is not over and that those returning from spring break to Indiana and those participating in tournament watch parties need to continue to be cautious.
Then I know people are very anxious to get over this, but unfortunately, the more we continue to go out there and act like it's not occurring, the more likely it is to extend this period of time.
I'm Alyssa Donovan, WRTV.
And the Marion County Health Department issued one notice of violation over the weekend to the Bottle Works district for activities that did not follow current public health orders. The health department says the business complied with requested changes and no further enforcement is being pursued. The health department is in the process of issuing 3 more notices of violation. Over the weekend, they conducted 7 spot checks in addition to normal activities.